What are you wearing tonight, mate?
I have got one of my favourite watches. It is a CWC.
Take it off. Let me put it on camera. Let me put it on camera.
For anyone in there, I know Matthew will absolutely love this one. And T and Tickers loves this as well. It's the CWC Vintage Diver. It's the 1980 limited edition. So it's basically the watch that replaced the Rolex Mil Sub for the British Ministry of Defence. So in 1980, the British Ministry of Defence, the Armed Forces thought, Christ, these Rolexes are quite expensive now. And that's all right. They're quite expensive now, so I think we better stop the contract because these our armed forces, they can't have any Rolexes anymore. and so CWC were already involved with the W10 and the British. So it was the Royal Navy that CWC didn't have the contract for at the end, and then they finally got it with this one. So this is a beauty.
I tried this on before we came up, and I was actually really surprised and impressed with it. What does that cost?
So they're limited editions, these ones, because in 1982 they stopped making mechanicals, and they made quartz. So CWC, the company, don't make many of these, and the price is about, I think it's 1900. So
and what year? How old is that?
This is new, so
okay.
It's a year and a half old.
So are they still available now?
They're only available on, what's the word?
Okay.
They basically make them.
Okay.
So you pay a deposit and they make it.
Oh, okay. So they're made to order.
Yeah, made to order. That's the one. They're made to order, but you can get the quartz versions and other versions as well. But yeah, I love military watches, and I love little bits of history and brands with a bit of military history to them.
You need an NDC strap on that one.
I do need an NDC strap. I've got one on me on a couple of Seikos, and I'm waiting for that FXD from Matthew to send me, so I can have a look at that.